In this video, I will show you how to connect second PS5 controller to PS5. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So here we are on my PS5. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and log into my account. So to go ahead and connect a second controller, it's actually really easy to do. What you're going to want to do from your PS5 dashboard is come up to the top, and if you go up to the top right hand corner, you want to click onto the gear icon to come into your console settings. From here, what you're going to want to do next is just come down until you see accessories and then press X. Then what you want to do in general is press right on your controller and then press X onto Bluetooth accessories. So you can see at the moment we've only got one controller, which is this controller here that I'm currently using. So to go ahead and connect a second controller, the first thing you're going to want to do is put your second controller in pairing mode. So here is our second controller. Now to go ahead and put this into pairing mode, what you're going to want to do is hold down the PlayStation button. So that's this button here, and you want to hold down this button and you want to hold them down at the same time just for a couple of seconds, until the blue lights start flashing on the controller. As you can see here, the blue lights are flashing, so this shows we're in pairing mode. Now once you've done this, you're going to notice this will appear on this screen here. So what you need to do underneath where it says accessories found is go ahead and press X using your original first controller onto the second controller it's picked up. So next it's going to say, do you want to register this Bluetooth accessory? All you need to do is select yes. Then it's going to ask who is using this controller. So now what you want to do is take the second controller that you're connecting, so that's this one, and what you want to do is select the account that you want to use this controller for. So you have got the option here to add a user, or if you do have another user ready, you can go ahead and log in with that controller. But in this example, I'm just going to switch my profile to use the second controller. So I'm just going to press X, and you can see that's now assigned to this controller. And as you can see, we can now go ahead and use this controller. So that is how to go ahead and connect second PS5 controller to PS5. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.